What have you ever thought that how a top or dress, which should include fabric, stitching, transport, and brand profit, can be available for just $5 when you click and to cart online and that package arrives at your doorstep in a few days. You feel like you have cracked a huge deal. What have you ever wondered who is paying the real price behind this glitter and glamorous? This price is being paid by none other than our planet's soil, water, and the millions of innocent workers in developing countries who vices never make it to the world. In today's video, we will uncover the dark truth of fast fashion, which large fashion brands hide behind the sign of advertisements. By the end of this video, you will understand how fast the clothes hanging in your wardrobe are destroying the world. Until a few decades ago, fashion was something that changed only a few times a year: spring, summer, autumn, winter. But then came the era of fast fashion. Brands like Seam, Zara, H&M, and Forever 21 started changing dress so fast that now there are not 4 but 52 micro seasons in a year, meaning a new fashion trend every single week. Ellen Make Author Foundation report shows that over the past 2 decades, clothing production has doubled, but the wear count per garment has dropped by 36% compared to before. Today, more than 100 billion new garments are made worldwide every year. That means roughly 12 to 15 new clothes per person on earth each year. Shockingly, almost 85% of these clothes end up in trash bin or straight into landfills within just few months. This is not just clothing waste, it is a waste of water, energy, human labor that went into making them. Let's talk about the environment. Did you know that the fashion industry is the second largest populator in the world, right behind the oil industries? It takes about 2,700 liters of water to make a single cotton t-shirt. That's as much water as a person drinks in almost 3 years. Just imagine. While many parts of the world face severe drinking water shortage, millions of gallons of clean water used in cotton farming and fabric dyeing are polluted with toxic chemicals and dumped into rivers. Modern cheap clothes use more synthetic fibers than cotton, like polyester, nylon, and acrylic. These are essential plastic. Whenever you wash these polyester clothes in your washing machine, millions of tiny plastic fibers break off and reach the ocean through drainage. According to International Union for Conservation of Nature research, roughly 35% of primary microplastic pollution in the world oceans comes just from washing synthetic clothes. These microplastics enter our food chain through fish and eventually become part of our bodies. Now let's come to the darkest and most heart-rating aspect of this story: the human cost. When you buy a $5 shirt, you should think about what the person stitching that shirt gets as wages. In countries like Bangladesh, India, Cambodia, and Pakistan, billions of workers labor for innumerable hours without any basic rights. They are often paid so little that highly manage to arrange 2 meals a day for their families. If they fail to meet set targets, they are subjected to physical and mental torture. Who can forget the Rana Plaza factory disaster in Bangladesh in 2013? The building was already damaged, yet workers were forcefully called to work. Over 1,135 innocent workers lost their lives in that accident, and more than 2,500 were injured. It is the largest black page in fashion history. Secret reports have revealed that small children are made to work in the initial stage of the supply chain to keep protection costs to a minimum. This is modern slavery thriving silently just to fill our wardrobe closets. When we donate our old clothes or put them in charity boxes, we think they are going to someone in need, but through But the truth is quite the opposite. Developed countries like the US and Europe dump their old and unwanted clothes in countries in Africa and Latin America in the name of charity. Visible from space, this desert has now become one of the largest fashion dumping yards in the world. Thousands of tons of such clothes are dumped here every year that could not be sold, yeah, were worn just once that and thrown away. These clothes neither decompose nor destroy easily. Toxic gases keep emerging from many of synthetic clothes are they cause fire that simmer for months. We enjoy cheap style in developed countries and developing nations are forced to bear the burden of our leftover trash. This is mean we should stop wearing clothes. Absolutely not. Fashion is an art way to express yourself, but it does not mean we should do fashion at the cost of our beautiful planet and human lives. Why clothes that can last long? Second-hand clothing culture is growing rapidly worldwide. Ask your clothing brand whether their supply chain is ethical or not. Before buying any new clothes, ask yourself, do I really need this or is it just a momentary impulsivity? Remember the money you spend, a vote for the kind of world you want to see. If we shop wisely, these big brands will also be forced to change their policies. If you found this video informative, make sure to share it with your friends and family so then too can be aware of this dark side. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay aware and be sustainable.